Make sure to stay till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and common mistakes people make. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger. If you have one of those and you're trying to find the fuse for the power outlet, guys, also known as the cigarette lighter, but most people call it a power outlet where you can charge your phone or connect your electronic devices. Stay with us, we'll explain where it's located, guys. All that will be covered in this video today. Now we'll explain why it's super important to test the power outlet and what else could be causing the power outlet not to work as well. So before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from and you can save a fortune. So let's explain how to fix that now. Now, what do we have here? 2018 Dodge Challenger. V6, V8, it should work for both. Most people will automatically, guys, open the hood and check the fuse box that's under the hood. But in that fuse box, that's not that, you will not be able to find that fuse. This fuse box is practically for engine management. So we'll need to go to the trunk. Now you can see right here, the car was in a little bit of an accident, but it's a champ, runs and drives great. So if we come right here, we're talking about that power outlet, guys, that is in the center console. We're talking about that device, okay, right there. So what can easily, guys, okay, cause that? Now, fuse is number one thing. Second, it could be a bad socket, or you have something metal like a coin change or something that keeps burning your fuse. We'll have a video how to replace power, okay, cigarette lighter socket, and how to test cigarette lighter socket as well. You're going to come right here under the cover where you access a spare tire and things. Usually you have a cover right here, and that cover will be for fuse box. You press right here, pull up, and it will come out. Now, what do we need to look for here, guys? Before we continue, let me tell you why it's super important to test your fuses. First, most people, guys, will assume that the fuse is bad good, sometimes, and they'll put it back in because you cannot clearly see if it's burned. In some cases, you may not be able to see at all, and in that case, you may put a bad fuse in the fuse box and you think it's good, and you're going to waste time and money to fix a problem that doesn't exist. Always test fuses, relays. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses and relays and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from. The power outlet fuse, guys, is located, okay, if you come right here, check this thing out. That last 20 amp fuse, that fuse right here is for a power outlet, guys. This is super, okay, super important fuse right here. That fuse is a 20 amp fuse. If you need a replacement one, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can see where you can buy it from, but you can see this is the fuse and that's how we remove it. Those are the mini special fuses. We'll put the link where you can buy one from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.